Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play football on Nintendo Switch Sports. The objective is simple: score more goals than your opponent before the match concludes. You will need 2 Joy-Con controllers, one for each hand, to fully immerse yourself in the game. We will cover everything from basic movement to advanced techniques, helping you become a formidable player on the virtual pitch. Get ready to kick off your journey to becoming a football champion. Mastering basic controls is your first step to success. To move your character, simply tilt both Joy-Con controllers in the direction you wish to go. When it's time to strike the ball, swing one Joy-Con forward as if you are kicking. A quick, strong swing will result in a powerful shot, while a softer touch can create a more precise pass. Experiment with different swing motions to discover various kick types and find what works best for you. Once you have the basics down, it is time to explore advanced techniques. To execute a header, swing both Joy-Con controllers downwards simultaneously when the ball is in the air near your player. For tackling, a quick flick of a Joy-Con can help you dispossess an opponent. Remember, football is a team sport. Coordinating with your teammates and maintaining good defensive and offensive positions will significantly increase your chances of victory. To consistently score goals and win matches, practice is key. Spend time refining your kicking accuracy and understanding ball physics. Effective communication with your teammates, even in local play, can lead to seamless passes and strong defensive formations. Always try to anticipate your opponent's next move. This foresight allows you to intercept passes, block shots, and create scoring opportunities. With these tips, you will be celebrating victories in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.